Welcome to Kuala Lumpur in 2025, a city where the energy doesn't fade when the sun goes down. As daylight gives way to a sea of glittering lights, a new kind of magic awakens. KL's nightlife is a vibrant tapestry, woven from the threads of cultures, tastes, experiences. It offers something for everyone, from the dedicated partygoer to the quiet observer looking for a stunning view. This isn't just about loud music and dancing, it's a full sensory experience. The air hums with anticipation. The streets are alive with chatter and laughter, and the aroma of delicious street food mixes with the cool night air. It's a city that invites you to step out and become part of its nocturnal story. The special allure of Kuala Lumpur's nightlife in 2025 lies in its incredible diversity and constant evolution. The city blends rich heritage with cutting-edge modernity. When it comes to clubbing in Southeast Asia, Kuala Lumpur stands tall, and at the heart of its pulsating electronic scene are two giants, TRX KL and the legendary Zouk KL. TRX, which stands for Taste Relish Experience Celebrate, is Malaysia's largest entertainment and F&B hub. It's not just a single club but a sprawling complex dedicated entirely to nightlife. Imagine a playground for adults, with over a dozen distinct venues packed into one electric space. As you walk through its well-lit avenues, you are greeted by a symphony of different beats spilling out from each establishment. The energy is palpable, creating a festival-like atmosphere every single night of the week. Inside TRX, the crown jewel is undoubtedly Zouk KL. This iconic brand has been a cornerstone of Asian nightlife for decades, and its Kuala Lumpur outpost is a state-of-the-art marvel, spanning multiple rooms, each with its own unique identity and music genre. Zouk offers an unparalleled clubbing journey. You can lose yourself in the massive main room amidst stunning visuals and big room anthems spun by world-renowned DJs. Just a short walk from the main Bukit Bintang intersection lies a street that is the undisputed heart of Kuala Lumpur's bar scene, Changkat Bukit Bintang. This single vibrant lane is a kaleidoscope of sights and sounds, lined with beautifully restored pre-war colonial buildings, bars, pubs, restaurants. As evening descends, Changkat transforms into a bustling pedestrian thoroughfare. The street closes to traffic, and tables and chairs spill out onto the pavement, creating a lively, communal atmosphere. Music, from dozens of different venues, blends into a captivating soundtrack for the night, inviting you to explore and find your perfect spot. The popularity of Changkat Bukit Bintang stems from its incredible density of options. Whatever your preference, you will find it here. Irish pubs with live bands playing classic rock anthems, sophisticated cocktail bars where mixologists craft artisanal drinks with precision, high-energy dance bars where DJs spin popular hits until the early hours. You can find quiet corners for a conversation or join the raucous crowds singing along to their favorite songs. Spanish tapas bars, Italian restaurants, Cuban-themed lounges, It's a true melting pot of global nightlife culture. It's a place for bar hopping, for sampling a little bit of everything the city has to offer. Unpretentious, welcoming and fun-loving. With great promos, Changkat is where everyone joins the party. For a truly unforgettable Kuala Lumpur experience, you have to see the city from above. The skyline, dominated by the Petronas Towers and the KL Tower, is spectacular, and there is no better way to appreciate it than from one of the city's many rooftop bars. These venues offer a more sophisticated and relaxed alternative to the bustling streets and clubs below. Here, you can sip on a finely crafted cocktail while gazing out at a panorama of glittering lights stretching to the horizon. The cool breeze, the ambient music, and the breathtaking views combine to create a magical and often romantic atmosphere that feels a world away from the city's hustle. One of the most unique and thrilling rooftop experiences can be found at Heli Lounge Bar. By day, it's a fully functional helicopter landing pad on the 36th floor of the Menara KH building. By night, it transforms into a spectacular 360-degree rooftop bar. There are no walls or windows, just you and the open sky. The experience of walking onto the helipad for the first time is genuinely breathtaking. The space is simply furnished with plastic chairs and tables, putting the focus entirely on the jaw-dropping, unobstructed view of the entire city. It's the perfect spot to watch the sunset paint the sky in hues of orange and purple before the city lights begin to twinkle on. For chic, resort-like vibes, Mantra Rooftop Bar atop Bangsar Village 2 offers plush lounge seating, a glowing bar, even a small pool, with sweeping views, inventive cocktails, and smooth deep house and chill-out sets. In a city known for its mega clubs and sprawling rooftop bars, there exists a place that offers something entirely different, a journey into a fantasy world. The Iron Ferries is not just a bar, it's an immersive experience designed to transport you to a whimsical, subterranean mineshaft, where mischievous fairies dwell. Conceived by the imaginative designer Ashley Sutton, this themed venue is a feast for the senses, from the moment you step through its heavy, rustic doors. The interior is a labyrinth of iron, wood, and stone, with winding staircases, hidden alcoves, and dimly lit corners that invite exploration. It's a place that sparks curiosity and wonder in every guest. The details at the Iron Ferries are what make it so magical. The main floor feels like a blacksmith's workshop, with cast iron ferries scattered across the tables, each one a unique, handcrafted piece of art. Look up, and you'll see thousands of preserved butterflies dangling from the ceiling, enclosed in glass jars or suspended as if in mid-flight, creating a stunning, ethereal canopy. The bartending stations are enclosed in intricate iron cages, and the mixologists, dressed like miners, expertly craft a menu of creative and potent cocktails with whimsical names. A fine layer of fairy dust seems to coat every surface. Across multiple levels, live jazz and blues below, cozy cavern-like mezzanines above. It's more wonder and conversation than wild party, and utterly unforgettable. No trip to Kuala Lumpur is complete without marveling at its most famous landmark, the Petronas Twin Towers. While they are impressive during the day, they take on a whole new level of magnificence at night. As darkness falls, the towers light up into two colossal pillars of glittering silver. Standing at their base and looking up is humbling and awe-inspiring. Close-ups reveal Islamic-inspired details shining under the lights. The best place to experience this is from adjacent KLCC Park. This 50-acre urban oasis provides the perfect vantage point. At night, the park becomes a destination. Pathways are softly lit for leisurely strolls. Families, couples, friends gather on lawns and benches, cameras raised. The atmosphere is relaxed, joyful, and full of shared appreciation. A major highlight is the KLCC Lake Symphony. In the lake at the foot of the towers, a nightly show of water, light, and sound. Two musical fountains firing jets up to 42 meters, choreographed to classical and contemporary music. The water dances, lit by colorful lights, with the Petronas Towers as a backdrop. Spending time in KLCC Park after dark offers a peaceful alternative nightlife. Peaceful, family-friendly, and completely free. It's a place to take stunning photographs, enjoy a quiet conversation, or simply sit in contemplation of the magnificent view. Nature, culture, ambitious modernity. A soul-soothing bookend to a wild night out in the city's livelier districts. Bukit Bintang is the undeniable epicenter of Kuala Lumpur's vibrant energy, and when night falls, this district truly comes alive. It's the city's premier shopping and entertainment hub. Its streets transform into a dazzling spectacle of neon lights, bustling crowds, and endless activities. The main intersection, often compared to Tokyo's Shibuya Crossing, is a whirlwind of activity. Giant LED billboards on gleaming facades, shoppers with their bags, tourists with their cameras, locals heading out for the evening, street performers abound, soulful guitarists, dance crews, magicians, spontaneous shows that spark shared joy, reflexology and massage parlors soothe tired feet, signs glowing, expert hands at work, aromatic oils drifting. Food reigns along Halan Alor, rows of plastic tables, grilled satay, sizzling woks, fragrant durian, crowds feasting at open-air stalls in loud, chaotic, fantastic fashion. High-end glamour meets gritty street charm, both irresistible. You can spend hours just wandering, soaking it all in. Bukit Bintang is Kuala Lumpur in microcosm, dynamic, diverse, full of surprises, a non-stop spectacle that captures the city's relentless 24/7 pulse. Finding your way through Kuala Lumpur's diverse nightlife is part of the adventure, and the city makes it remarkably easy. The primary nightlife hubs are concentrated in a few key areas: Bukit Bintang, Changkat, the lively bars of Changkat, the street food paradise of Jalan Alor, the high-energy street scene, and numerous shopping malls. You can easily walk from a quiet dinner to a bustling bar, and then to a late-night massage parlor without needing transportation. For Super Club energy, TREC on Halantun Razak is a short taxi or ride share from Bukit Bintang, a self-contained world of nightlife. Multiple clubs, bars, lounges, secure, well-organized, and easy to roam. Kuala Lumpur is generally safe, but stick to well-lit, busy areas, and keep an eye on your belongings. Use reputable ride-sharing like Grab, reliable, affordable, and tracked. Best plan? Start with a rooftop sunset near KLCC, feast along Jalan Alor, hop bars on Changkat. Then, if you've got energy, dance the night away at Zouk and TRX. With efficient transport, you can tailor the perfect night to your tastes and energy. Ultimately, the best way to experience KL's nightlife is to mix and match. As our tour through Kuala Lumpur's nocturnal landscape comes to a close, one thing is crystal clear. This city offers a nightlife experience as diverse and dynamic as the culture it represents. From the thumping bass of world-class superclubs, to the clinking glasses in whimsical-themed bars, from the dizzying heights of rooftop lounges, to the bustling energy of its food streets, KL After Dark is a world of endless possibilities. 2025 finds the city at its most vibrant, blending heritage with a forward-thinking spirit, inclusive, exciting, and unique. It's a city that doesn't just invite you to have a good time, it guarantees it. If you're a party animal, the magnetic pull of Zouk KL and the TREC complex is irresistible. If you prefer a more relaxed evening, the charm of Changkat's many bars or the sophistication of a rooftop like Mantra awaits. For the dreamers and adventurers, the Iron Ferries is a must. And if iconic skylines and peaceful moments are your thing, KLCC Park under the glow of the Petronas Towers will stay with you forever. What you'll remember most is the friendly, welcoming vibe. Smiles are easy, conversations common. Locals, expats, and tourists create a cosmopolitan atmosphere where everyone is here to enjoy life. Don't be afraid to ask for recommendations, to try something new, or to step out of your comfort zone. Whether solo, as a couple, or with friends, the city's spirit is open and engaging. Wear comfortable shoes, keep an open mind, and prepare for an all-senses adventure. The city lights are on, the music is playing, and a world of excitement is waiting just for you.